going to reveal all my squishy collection. This is my Squeezy squishy collection. It's a hippo. Here's my Num Nums, and it's a lip gloss one. Here's my Angry Bird squishy. Here's my cupcake. Here's my other one. Here's my donut squishy. Here's my poppet fidget. Here's my bunny squishy. Here's my poop squishy. Here's my cupcake squishy. Here's my string squishy thing. Here's my cupcake. Here's my moch squishy. This is not a squishy. Here's my poop squishy. Here's my other poop squishy. Here's my unicorn squishy. Here's my bunny squishy. Here's my panda squishy. Here's my poop squishy, but I colored it with markers, so I'm going to have to clean it. Here's my donut squishy. Here's my ice cream squishy. Here's my poppet fidget. Here's my pig squishy. Here's my Hello Kitty Sanrio Caropi squishy. Here's my Care Bear squishy. Here's my other Care Bear squishy. Here's my cat squishy. Here's my smushy mushy squishy. Here's my other smushy mushy squishy. Here's my Finding Nemo squishy. Here's my penguin squishy. Here's my shark squishy. Here's my poop squishy. Here's my cupcake squishy. Here's my other cupcake squishy. Here's my other cupcake squishy. Here's my chocolate squishy. Here's my dragon squishy. Here's my puppy squishy. Here's my sloth squishy. Here's my cat squishy. Here's my Squeezy squishy. Here's my, that's not a squishy. Here's my bird squishy. Here's my Moj squishy. Here's my smushy mushy squishy. And here's the other sloth squishy. Let's see if I have more. Okay, here's one. Okay. I had more time to show you all of them. I have more time to show you all of them, so here. Here's my other poopy squishy. Here's my baby squishy. Here's my Hello Kitty squishy. Here's a head squish. Here's a no head squishy. Here's an Angry Bird squishy. Here's a dog squishy. Here's a llama squishy. Here's a Hello Kitty squishy. Here's another squishy. I don't know what it's called though. Here's my Robin toy. Here's my unicorn squishy. Here's my Ninja Turtle squishy. And here's my cat squishy. Find more squishies. Here's my toilet squishy. Here is my whatever this game is called squishy. Here's Woody from Toy Story squishy. Here's my lollipop squishy. Here's my frog squishy, but it's broken. And here is my mermaid squishy, I guess. Now time to show all my Care Bears. This is my glittery Care Bear, my another glittery Care Bear, and another glittery Care Bear. These are all my other Care Bears, my little ponies, my little ponies. Okay, just have to put out my squishy back, guys, for my mama sees it. Mom's going to work, so I have to put this away. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to show off my other toys. Here's my My Little Pony toys, my Disney toys. Oh, I already showed that, so. Okay. Here's my baby stroller. My, oh, these are my shoes. You're wondering if I got a house tour. You're wondering if I got these Mickey shoes from. I got them from H&M, and I also got all the shoes from H&M as well, and I got the other ones from Old Navy. And you're wondering if I got these slippers. I got them from the Korean store. And you're wondering if I got these Bella and Elsa clothes. I got them from the Disney store. And you're wondering if I got this tutu. Well, my mom ordered it from Amazon for my birthday. And you're wondering where I got this Christmas jacket. Well, I got it at Old Navy. You're wondering if I got this Christmas clothes. I got it at Disney store. You're wondering if I got this sweater, this Christmas sweater. Well, I got it at the Christmas store. You're wondering if I got this dress. I got it from the Disney store. You're wondering if I got this pants. I got it from Old Navy. And if you're wondering if I got this princess dress, I got it at Costco. They sell it there. You're wondering if I got these dresses. Well, I got them at Celine's birthday party. These are my baby old clothes. And if you're wondering where I got these swim clothes, I got them at Walmart. They sell them there. And where I got this hat, well, the Toca Life gave it to me. This is a new hat from Toca Life that they gave me. You wonder where I got all these panties? I got them at Walmart, including these. Also, where I got all these nice furry dresses, I got them at Old Navy and Walmart. You wonder where I got these tight pants? I got them at Old Navy and H&M as well, but I don't even wear them. And you want to know what's in the secret box, guys? All my headbands. Well, you're wondering where I got this flowers one. I actually got them from Hawaii, I guess. And I got these at the baby store when I was little, but I don't wear them anymore. And I got this at Hawaii as well. And I got this at the Christmas store. I got this popsicle clip from the Old Navy store. It kind of looks cute, but not really. And you're wondering where I got this necklace. I got it from the Turning Red store. You're wondering if I got this this Starbucks clip. Well, I got it at the old-fashioned store named Turkish Wow. And I got the strawberry shortcake headbands at Old Navy. And I got this Winnie the Pooh at Disney store. And I got these flower ones at Old Navy as well. I got this one at Old Navy and Disney store. I got this from Hawaii. This is Moana's. Here's are all my other clips. I got them from Old Navy. Here I got my Peppa Pig headbands and Trolls headband. I got them from Peppa Pig Studios and Universal Studios because last time my brother went there, put these back. Your guys are wondering where I got these Disney headbands. I got them at the Christmas store and Disney store. You're wondering where I got the Sky headband. I got it at Old Navy. These other headbands are from Disney store and the Christmas store. And this is from Hawaii, I guess. These are all my baby clips. And do you want to see my socks? Here's all my socks. I have a rainbow dash. And I have some other socks. So yeah. And these are basically my pajamas, but I don't really wear them anymore. Here are my Halloween costumes that I already showed you before. And let's go downstairs where I can show you all my shoes. Okay. Okay. Here guys, here is my unicorn shoes. Here are my lightning shoes. Here are my black shoes. Here are my Adidas shoes. Wow. Okay, guys. Here is my bathroom. Here's the sprays, the toothbrushes, and the